Hello, this is a pleasure to clean wool rug made in Nepal. A beautiful, good quality by nice gentlemen that delivered the Oriental rug to my warehouse. Please take a look, pay attention to the details, how PetPeePee clean Oriental rug, no scrubber, no steam cleaning, big hose water, soap, deodorizer, none of the above. Organic cleaning product and a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Take a look. After the vacuum extract everything through the rug, every fiber will be washed from the top of the rug to the bottom of the rug. So every dirt, soil, bacteria, the crystal of the urine that caused the bad odor, all of this will be washed thoroughly. And after we wash the rug, and we rinse it for so many times, we would like to know what's coming from the rug. Is the rug clean right now? Not? Do I have to continue the cleaning process? So I have the tube, and the tube shows me what's coming from the rug. And when I finish cleaning the Oriental rug, the tube have to be clear. The same water coming from the top, the same water coming from the bottom. This is how I clean your Oriental rug. And the reviews on Google prove that what I said, it's true. 100% guarantee, no trace of any odor, because the Dead Sea, it's odor free. Come with me to the warehouse and listen how the machine it's working. As a wildlife photographer that came from Israel to United States, and they don't have any information, clue about carpet cleaner. The nature deposit inside of me the love of chemical free. For this reason, I have all my cleaning process chemical free. I invented a cleaning product and the machine. Would you like your Oriental rug to be cleaned like this? Call today. You're welcome to visit my artwork. Thank you for watching PetPeePee video. You're welcome to subscribe. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. Pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental Rug Drapery Cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.